Hi, everyone. I'd like to help you to meditate how to release some aches and pain together. And we have our dear friend, student, Heather. And let's ask her to talk about the pain she has.
I had both hips replaced, one in 2009, one in 2012. The one in 2009 was perfect, but the one in 2012 has always given me pain, pretty much 24/7. And it's become so that I didn't know what I was going to do to get through this. I've decided to come back and try Qigong with Master Teresa. And I had one session on Saturday, and it was wonderful. On Sunday, I had to go to a concert, and I was worried about sitting through the concert, but I didn't have pain. It was terrific. And so back to try and see if we can keep this going, and I'm sure that we can.
So, and I met Heather on Saturday and Monday,
Wednesday.
Wednesday, or yesterday.
Wednesday. Yeah.
We'll figure it out. Okay, so I met Heather on a Saturday, and then she went for a concert. And then Wednesday, she said she's still maintaining the good energy. So we reapply the chi again. And today is the Thursday, which is the third time.
I'm feeling really good right now, and it's maintained since Saturday. I have felt good all week, and this is
like a miracle to you.
It is, because this is the longest I've been without this pain.
So you haven't had this good feeling over 10 years.
That's right. That's right.
So how are you going to reward yourself now?
I'm going to stick with the Qigong and make sure that I keep feeling like this.
Yeah. Well, I also thank your good friend bringing you back to the Qigong and talk you to see me. Anyway,
Yeah.
so yeah, thank you. So we're just gonna run a little briefing together. The pain, yes, we do have. Everyone has a little bit here and there, but we can always do some Qigong breathing, and then we can also meditate. Meditation is so simple, and I'll guide you together. And if you are already a Qigong practitioner, it's not difficult for you to bring the Qi to where you need, really. But so when we relax, is relaxing any uncomfortable feeling too, whether it's physical or emotional. Head relax, neck relax, shoulders relax, chest relax, back relax, abdomen relax, arms, hands, fingers relax, leg, feet, toes relax. Relax your whole body. Relax. So let me send you some chi now. So relax. 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 So chi is always inside us. It's just our life force. So the universal chi, there, you think and try to think and collect them to you and give it to where your body needs. It's like they have to go down to where the hip area is hurting, right? So you visualize, it's imagination. So trust the imagination works, right? So, well, we say placebo effect works too. Just treat it like placebo. So head relax, relax, all my body parts all the way to my hip, where it's hurting. I send chi there for Heather. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. So meditate for a while. So keep relaxing. We know sometimes it's hard to relax when there's aches and pain. So do your best. Breathe in, breathe out. You can think about let go discomfort from the body. Let go, release. So the energy flows, improving circulation. That's what we trying to practice right now. So head relax, neck relax, shoulders relax, chest relax, abdomen relax, the back relax. So the issues, the back, hip area. So as remote practitioners, we zero in to improve the energy flow with our mind. So let me focus on them. So breathe in. You can think about the good energy, universal energy. And then when you breathe out, you add your intention of releasing negative energy issues of the body. We give a good intention. So very peacefully relax, relax, relax. In, breathe out. Let go, release, release, release. Relax, 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 relax. Hey, that's nice. For beginners who are following my video, you can also test out how you respond. 10 minutes, maybe you're not feeling anything, but you can repeat coming back to do and do longer. Maybe you can do a time, later on the day you can do another time. It's about learning how to zero in and relax yourself. I do have a lot of Qigong videos already on the YouTube channel, so do some of them. And then at the end, you can meditate to release. And this can be a good video to follow. Okay, so when you're done with the practice, I would ask you not to run around. Once we feel better, we do all kinds of things, but the body is still going through the process of improving the circulation. It wants to help you to feel better. So it requires you to rest. So I hope all of you will take some time to have a good rest and don't try to do too much. At this time of our life, we must take care of ourselves. It's for immunity.